We tried. By the time we went to Lancaster, we thought we're almost there, we had agreed. But immediately we came there home, so things fell apart once again. We went into integration, those who went into the National Army. The rest of the other people were demobilized at assembly camps. And most of you remained there to this date. I mean, left from there and you went to your different areas and places to this date. Have survived the harsh climate created by the incompetence of our own government that have led particularly our economic situation to be what it is today. We have had Comrade Matema. I call him Matema because the name is too long for me. You've heard him spell out exactly what the objectives of the armed struggle was all about. You've heard Comrade Chris also emphasize the fact that what has been happening is a complete departure from those objectives that we had during the liberation struggle. And this has led to what Zimbabwe is today. There were only two parties that fought for the liberation of this country: ZAPU and ZANU. There were only two armies, ZIPRA and ZANDA. We are meeting today as the veterans of those two armies. It is a very big achievement. That itself is a very big achievement indeed. We all have been meeting in social functions at different places and asked ourselves each time what has happened to our country. Are these the results of what people sacrifice their lives for? My own concern has always been, on the day they decide to call me to the heavens and I meet Josiah Dongogara, Mangena, Lookout Masuku, and they will say, you survived the war. You remained there with the rest of the other comrades. What did you people do when you realized things were going the wrong direction? What measures did you take to correct all that you saw was not going the right direction? And I will not have the answer. But today, if anything happened to me, and they ask me that question, I think I'll be proud to report to them at least there has been an attempt by those surviving comrades who were in Zipra and Zanda to put their heads together and to able to chart a way forward that will be able to get the people of Zimbabwe to the levels of development that we had wanted them to get to.